what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 23. And as you can hear, I'm a little under the weather. So what I did was I made my brother cook some breakfast for us because since you in my house, you might as well cook.
First of all, I'm gonna say the same thing I told her. You gotta pay for this feature. This feature ain't free. I'm
not even monetized.
I don't matter.
Then I got my niece with me too. She made me drive all night. I didn't get home till 12:44 in the morning. So he got pancakes, got some bacon. I told him to bring his griddle, and got some eggs. Crap. You on your shirt? Better put it in the washing machine upstairs.
Give me a t-shirt.
Okay. Anyway.
He's trying to reach up over everything.
You gonna sit?
Half her size. You still trying to be her.
Down now. Let go and sit down.
Oh, big baby.
He want to get her.
What's wrong with you?
Go get her, Ashton. Let her go. Let me see what he gonna do. Go get her, Ashton. Go get her. Y'all, so after I ate breakfast yesterday, I drank some more hot tea. I kind of watched some TV and I laid down. Okay, I finally got like some chicken noodle soup from Panera Bread. It was decent. I prefer Chick-fil-A, but it was Sunday, so I couldn't get that. So I made sure to just get some Panera Bread. Ate that or whatever. Plan on getting some more chicken noodle soup today to get better. So my throat doesn't really hurt. My sister-in-law brought me some throat tea, and that helped a lot. And I drank that twice. So I'm thinking just to kind of help it out, because I thought I was going to go to my primary care doctor in the morning, Monday morning. So what I'm thinking about doing is drinking some more throat tea, resting, and I took some cod liver oil. Taking some more cod liver oil and just keep trying to shake this up out of me, this cold on up out of me. I'm still a little achy, but I think that just came from being a little sick and ice skating. So I think, and I'm a little older, so that's what I think. But this is just because I was sick. It's not much I could really do with vlogging, but we will get into things on the 23rd. We have Christmas lights for the kids, so I can't wait though. But anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. I'm trying to do my best with these vlogs, but your girl is tired and sick. All right, bye y'all.